Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Caniel. I'm the CEO of Learn, and this is my February message out to the community. Well, winter is hanging in there. It's about minus 17 outside, and it looks like we're going to have another storm overnight. So I think we all have to hang in there and be patient. Spring is just around the corner, so they tell me, and I'll be making my maple syrup very soon. Lots happening at Learn. All of it really very good and very exciting. Our tutorials have gone again very, very well. Our pet services team, the workshops and resources they've been doing just to, again, answering the needs of our community. The PRT, working in collaboration with our community partners, is really exemplary in so many ways. I can go on and on about that. I really just wanted to maybe take a minute and discuss something that came up in a panel discussion, which I was part of today. And someone asked me a question about doing something that make it easy for the kids to learn. The topic's really not important, but just quick and easy to learn. And one of the things that I came back and I told them, and I think that we need to keep in mind as educators, is that learning requires an effort. That effort doesn't have to be tedious. It doesn't have to be something that's mind-numbingly dull. But on the other hand, it does require effort. You need to make some kind of engagement or commitment. When our kids, and I see my grandsons playing Minecraft, I see that they start and they stop, and they're learning all kinds of things. And as they are doing it, they're showing me, again, amazing skills. But they failed, and even as they were doing it and showing me, they messed up on a few things. They didn't hesitate. They didn't worry about it. They kept on going. But they were making that effort. They were really focused on it. Fortunately, and I have to say that I used to be something of a skeptic when it came to video games. But it seems like a lot of these skills, this perseverance, if you want, is really paying off. So whenever we talk about learning, I think that we have to keep in mind that it does require effort. And when people are looking for quick and easy solutions, there are really no quick and easy solutions. Neuroscience tells us you have to do things a certain number of times to really reinforce the learning and get everything in place so that it becomes embedded, if you want, in your medium long-term memory. So it's not always an easy thing, but it's one that we shouldn't minimize. It does require effort. And again, with effort comes patience. We need to make sure that as we fail and we struggle through certain things, that we hang in there. And the best thing to do is, as I said, look at your children, your grandchildren, in my case, and see how they're doing in things that they enjoy. For example, unfortunately, video games, and see how they go through it. My youngest grandchild is 4 years old, and she's learning all kinds of things, watching videos on television, ping pong. So what can I say? But she stays focused on it, and then afterwards she goes back and she's got all kinds of books that go along some of those activities. And you see that she really sticks to it because she's enjoying it. So I guess my simple message for this month is never underestimate that effort is required in the learning process, but that it doesn't have to be tedious. It can be fun. I'm going to let it go with this. I hope that you all hang in there. Spring break is just a couple weeks away, and I hope that you have a good rest, and you come back to us after the spring break refreshed and ready to top off the year with a lot of success and happiness. Bye, everyone. Have a good spring break. Bye.